Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. So people ask me, do you ever get any good stuff from jobs? And the answer is yes. We're starting a whole series called Good Find Friday, but I'm gonna show you guys some good stuff that I got that I actually keep in my house and I use on the daily basis, because pretty much everything in my house came from a junk job. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I got. All right guys, so the first thing we got was this big solid wood table, and it seats 8 people. And all the chairs around it we also got from a hauling job. Now we come into the living room, and my house is a little messy, but we got this Shark vacuum cleaner, we got this heating gun, and we got this air purifier, whatever you want to call it, but it works great and it keeps my wife from sneezing. So then we got this TV, did not come from a hauling job, but the TV stand underneath that it's sitting on did come from a hauling job. So then we go over here. This whole corner came from a hauling job. This big cabinet, this mirror, and this little vase here all came from a hauling job. And then I move over 5 feet, and this chair right here came from a hauling job as well. All right, we're moving over here. My wife just pulled all this stuff out of the closet, but all these came from a hauling job, and this is like a $300 thing. I don't even know what it is, but this little pedestal and that lamp also came from a hauling job. Those leaves on the wall came from a hauling job. So now we go down the hallway. This whole cabinet came from a hauling job right here. Okay, then we go into this spare bedroom. This dresser came from a hauling job. This computer chair came from a hauling job. That bookshelf came from a hauling job. This computer table came from a hauling job, and so did that filing cabinet right there. All from a hauling job. Now we're gonna go into my bedroom, and hopefully it's not too dirty. Okay, it's really dirty. But there's this chest right here. This came from a hauling job as well. And back over here, yes, even Bear Bear came from a hauling job. My beautiful Chow Chow. And Grizzly as well. Believe it or not, yes, I got these 2 dogs from a hauling job. They were throwing them away. It's very sad, but I rescued them because I love them. So now I'm gonna take you guys on the back porch. Everything out here pretty much came from a hauling job. This TV, the table that the TV's on, obviously there's other crap out here as well. This couch over here, my wife actually painted the cushions. She's still working on painting some more of the cushions. That little metal stand thing came from a hauling job. This is a barber chair that came from a hauling job. This wine cooler came from a hauling job. It just keeps wine cold. Now to the backyard. This weight bench didn't come from a hauling job, but I've actually gotten weight benches that were nicer than this. I just didn't feel like switching them out. This came from a hauling job. This table right here. This swing came from a hauling job. These chairs go to this. This is a outside patio set. This all came from a hauling job. And believe it or not, yes, so did this hot tub. I don't have it connected yet, but it came from a hauling job. So yeah, as you can see, there's pretty much a piece of furniture in every single room in my house that came from a hauling job. And my favorite thing is I got my dogs from a hauling job, which people find hard to believe. You know, a lot of jobs are really nasty, but there are jobs that you can find good stuff on. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and thanks for watching.